Anyone can tell me now is it useful or not?
Sir, no sir. Sir, the one petrol சொல்றாங்க. அது ஆப்டேன் நம்பர் அதிகமா இருக்குமா? ஓகே. So the octane number அதிகமா இருக்குமா one petrolல?
In petrol, the octane number is higher. If it is higher, it can withstand the compression. So the performance will be higher.
So இப்போ வர எல்லா பெட்ரோல் செட்லயுமே
octane இருக்கும்.
ethanol. ethanol எல்லா பெட்ரோல்லையும் ethanol இருக்கும்.
அது சொல்ல முடியாது. Based on that, we don't know.
அப்புறம் எப்படி சொல்லுங்க? அப்புறம் எப்படி எஃபிஷியன்சி octane number சொல்லுங்க? எல்லாத்தையும்
octane number, let's see if I am there, you can measure me. Okay, you can measure my weight. This is one of the property. Same way, by you doing the experiments, you can find out the octane number. What is the octane number?
Currently, இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க.
Yes. Now, ethanol-blending is used. In our college, we are having an engine that is called as variable compression ratio engine, VCR engine, where we can make any product. You can take existing petrol, you can measure and you can find out the performance, and then you can add some ethanol in it. You can make a new type of.
people சொல்றேன். people நார்மலா யூஸ் பண்றாங்க.
நார்மலா blending இருக்கும். நீ கேட்கறது வந்து என்னன்னா எத்தனால் வந்து blend பண்ணிருக்காங்க இல்லையான்னு கேட்கறேன்.
ஆறு பெட்ரோல்ல எத்தனால் blend பண்ணிருக்காங்களா இல்ல வேற ஏதாவது பெட்ரோல் மாதிரி
அதே எனக்கு that we have to see. What is asking is, he was asking that in existing fuel, is the ethanol is available in the what is the ratio? That we have chemistry we have to work out. What are the components in it? Okay. That one we have to find out. That one thing. Second thing is, when this ethanol can be used, what happens is this octane number can be increased. Okay. So why I am telling this is, from the grains, from any product, you can take any type of oil. If you take rubber car tire is one of the product which is waste. When we can't reuse it. One or twice we can reuse it. After that we can't reuse. That waste tire product we can extract some amount of oils. Or some plant which is becoming as a waste, we can make it from an oil. Any type of oil we can make it. That oil can be converted into fuel. That is coming under the category called as biomass. Okay. So any type of fuel, that fuel we can make and blend by your own wish. You can make ethanol or anything if you want. You can make a new blend, and then you can have an testing in our lab in the experiment. You can do the experiment. You can find out the performances. What is the calorific value? What is the octane number? What is the heat liberated? And what is the emission? In our setup, there is an engine where we can find out. We can vary the compression ratio. We can reduce the for the compression ratio. Your fuel is withstanding or not, and then what type of emission is coming. Everything we can check.
Sir, one doubt. For any kind of oil that has added with ethanol, it convert as a fuel.
Then we have to check. Directly any fuel. See, if you are telling it's a fuel, then definitely it will be burning. Okay. If you add ethanol, what happens is its stability will increase. But if you are taking anything, any oil, if you directly mix ethanol, then it can't be told as a fuel. First, it should be classified as a fuel. Then an octane number will be given for that fuel. After that, what happens? If to increase the octane number, what can we do? You can add the ethanol. But whether it's a fuel or not, that we have to do the experiment. That is called as research. That experiments are available in our lab, thermal lab. The VCR engine is the variable compression ratio. In our thermal lab, we have IC engines. What is the difference between this IC engine and another IC express take it there? Okay. What is the difference is here the compression ratio is fixed. Compression ratio is fixed. But there the compression ratio can be changed. So by varying the compression ratio, what happens to the property? What is the values that we can analyze? what is the brake power, what is the indicator power, everything we can analyze. Can you understand? So if you have interest to create a new fuel, you can go, you can find out, you can extract any type of fuel. Okay, then you can go to the lab, you can make some blending process. You ask what was out this, what are the chemicals added in the fuel. So what are the chemicals, necessary chemicals you can add in that, and then you can create a new type of fuel, and then you can use the engine, and then you can find out what all the properties, and you can tell. So if this is used as a fuel, these type of efficiency can be obtained in an engine. Okay, same way an exhaust gas analysis is also available there. The gas which is coming out can be measured, and then what are the types of emission, what is the percentage of emission, that also can be measured there itself. So if your fuel is with less emissions, definitely it is a success. Okay, thank you.